Hey legends, want to master bunny hopping like a pro? I've got you covered. Let's break it down. Start by sprinting, then jump and hold crouch mid-air. This is key to keeping momentum when you land. As soon as you hit the ground, release W while still holding crouch, and start rhythmically jumping. Don't just spam it, use small controlled jumps to maintain speed. A good rule of thumb is jumping each time you hit the ground. For the musically inclined, you can jump to a rhythm close to 140 beats per minute on flat ground. Now, to add a bit of direction, use A and D and slight panning movements of the mouse towards the direction you're pressing to strafe while bunny hopping. This helps you weave through fights and stay unpredictable. A pro tip, bunny hopping works best down slopes or after slides for maximum speed. Well, that's all. See you later, legends.